Snoring isn't just a sound, it's a signal. Snoring happens when air flows through a narrow airway. When the air gets blocked or slowed, the tissues vibrate. That vibration is snoring. Blocked nose, relaxed throat muscles, body weight changes, these are the most common reasons for snoring. If you snore often and wake up tired, your sleep quality is already affected, even if you didn't realize it. Snoring is one of the earliest signs that your sleep is disturbed. It's not harmless, so don't ignore regular snoring, especially if daytime tiredness is creeping in. Know someone who dismisses their snoring? Share this. It might be their wake-up call.